Hey girl, how you doing? Before we get into this video, I just want to say welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for this video, but first, before we start, just go ahead and click on that button. I think it's over there. No? Over here? No? Where is it? If you find it, click it and subscribe. Stay tuned. Okay, hey y'all, what's up? Let me bring y'all in. Come on in here. Come on in. I just got in. And no, that is not a typo in the description. Your girl has finally gotten through and got Curlbox. Yeah, you like it? You know, because I had a curl kit theme song, might as well have a Curlbox theme song. Girl, I'm so happy the box is like so heavy. I have seen what other girls have gotten because I've been stalking, and my box actually came to the post office on Saturday, but they didn't want to deliver it. They just left it there and didn't want to bring it to me. I didn't check the link, the tracking, until late Saturday, and I was like, I could have went and picked up my Curlbox. They be tripping. But anywho, I don't have on like foundation or anything because my face is breaking out. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Y'all know how that is, girls. Y'all know how it is. But let's get into this. Let's get into this to see what's in here. I know what's in here. I just want to share it with y'all because I'm just really excited. But Curlbox is a monthly subscription box. They are a bit different from Curl Kit to where you have to get on the list to get in the subscription. And so what you do is you go to the website, you click on the link, and you put in your email address, and then they will send you an email when you can get on the list. And you literally have to stalk your emails to get on this list because it is hard to get on the Curlbox list. I literally have been trying to get with Curlbox since June of last year because that's kind of when I was like not happy with Curl Kit, but I'll pop that video up there. But yeah, so I finally set a timer to check my emails at like a certain time. Finally got on there, and I got my first box last month, but that was kind of like a Christmas box. It wasn't like a takeover box, and most of their boxes are takeover boxes. So but yeah, let's just get into it. It's $20 a month plus $5 shipping, so it's still $25. I can't give you guys a link to go to. I'll give you the website where you can go, but I don't have any discounts. It's the same for everyone. They do have specialty boxes that they have every now and then where they do Curlbox Naturals, Curlbox Kids, Curlbox Baby, and Curlbox Platinum. And I think once a year they do Curlbox Men, which my husband says he wants to get that box whenever it comes out. So I'm going to be on the lookout for that. But for right now, I just got their subscription box and I can't wait. They don't get a magazine. It's kind of like a card, and this is the card. And it's the January 2018 Curlbox Limitless Living. I need to get something to drink. All I've had was coffee today. And then there's a Twitter chat tomorrow at 3 p.m. It says it on the back of there. Today is the 22nd. I just got my box in, y'all. Like, what? It has a letter from the editor. And it shows you how to prioritize you, adjust accordingly, pursue the new, dream big. Those are the different things in there. And that's it for that. Let's get into it. Once again, pretty packaging, tissue paper and whatnot. And let's oh my god, even though you see it on other people's videos, just getting it, it's like, oh my god, did y'all see that? What? nature coconut milks for natural hair products, boo-boo. So the first thing that we have here is the curl repair leave-in. That right there. That's what it looks like on the outside. And this is a big box. This is a big bottle or jar. Should I say jar? How many ounces are you? Where are you? It doesn't tell me how much is in here. I'm trying to. Okay, well, it don't matter. It's a lot. Let's see if it's sealed or not. I'm not sure. It's sealed, y'all. It's sealed. Y'all know I'm about to open this because, oh my God, like, that's like real deal. I may have to speed this part up. Oof. All right. Got it open. Ooh. That smells good, y'all. You see that? It's thick. Like, that ain't going nowhere. That's really thick. I am eager to try this out. I might try this out this weekend. Y'all see my little attempt at a wash and go? I wanted to see what my true curl pattern was. My hair's still drying. This says locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. Yes, honey, that's me. No sulfates, no mineral oils, no petroleum. Apply curl repair leave-in cream to clean, damp, or towel dried hair. Distribute evenly through hair with fingers from roots to ends. Do not rinse. Apply additional product depending on length and condition of hair, style as desired. I am here for this leave-in. It's really thick. Y'all know me. I love a little thick leave-in. The next thing we have is the Hydrating Curling Cream. Rich moisture and shine for soft, defined curls. Hey, you guys see that?
I got a bug.
Okay, put it in your room.
That bug's so scary.
I know, but it goes in your room. Okay, this one. Scoop a liberal amount into your hands and smooth downward on small sections of damp hair using fingertips to twist coil. So this is like for a wash and go, which is cool because I'm attempting to perfect my wash and go. I've only done it once. This is also sealed. I'm opening these because I plan on doing a demo on them. If I was like planning on, ooh, this is thick too. Y'all. That smells good. And this is also thick. You see that? Oh my God, y'all. I love thick creams. I am here for it because I got thick hair. I mean, okay, the next product, we got some mousse. It is the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, medium hold for defined styles. Mousse is mousse, it's the same thing. Do you guys see that? So yeah, that's a 7-ounce bottle. I still can't see how many ounces. It looks like about a 16-ounce jar for these jars here. I don't know. Okay, what else did we get in here? We have an Essential 7 treatment oil. Y'all know I'm here for some oil. This is like a one-stop wash and go type thing. All I need is a gel. I can't really gauge whether or not it has a smell to it or not. My son is literally right there at the door. Can't keep him away. Okay, the next thing we have, yeah, I said the next thing. There's like a ton of stuff in this box. It is the Creme of Nature 24-Hour Edge Tamer. Smooth holds and controls edges. Oh, that is like a edge control for real, for real. It's just an edge control. It's thick. I don't know. Yeah, it's really thick. It's not sticky. My daughter says her edge control. She's like, Mommy, why is it sticky? I'm like, I don't know. But this one's not sticky, so she might like that one. And the last thing, I actually was about to buy one of these for me and baby girl's hair. I don't know if it's gonna work for our hair because our hair is like, I'm gonna get you sucker thick. But anyway, I'm taking out a little package. It's the Creme of Nature. It's a detangler brush, and you're supposed to use it when you're washing your hair. So I'm definitely gonna try this on my next wash day. Yeah, I really like that. I like how it's shaped because I can easily hold it in my hand and just, you know, brush down like that. So I'm really excited about that. That might help define my wash and goes, because I am currently trying to perfect my wash and go. And that's it, y'all. So, but yeah, that's it. That's everything. I am so excited to try these products. I just washed my hair last night. I should have waited a day to wash it, but it was like, it was time. It was time to wash it. And yeah, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm excited to try this stuff out, y'all, for real. And if you're wondering, because I did say that I got a box in December, but I didn't really do a review on it because it was kind of like a hodgepodge box. Do I have any of the stuff here? We got some of it. I don't have the gel, of course. I'll pop in a picture of the gel. It's the Shine and Jam Jamaica. It's the, I don't want to get the name wrong. It's black castor and flaxseed oil gel from Shine and Jam, which I really, really liked it. I tried it last night and it was thebomb.com. And with that one, we got the Shine and Jam Shea Edges. I also got the Triple Cream Styling Clustered last month. It smells good. This stuff really works. I like it. It does the job. And then we got the Oh My Glide. It's the Owen handmade product. It's a pre-styling detangler with avocado oil and organic aloe vera. I love this product, y'all. It works really, really good on my daughter's hair before I style it. It's a pre-detangling styler. And then we also got the henna infused five exotic nourishing oils for hair and skin. I have not tried this yet, but we also got that in the box, and I think that was it that we got in last month's box. Oh, and I got my new hair scarf. This one, my new bonnet. I got this too. I love, this was perfect. I actually needed a new headscarf because, you know, I be putting rollers and stuff in my hair. I needed something with some space, and this has a lot of space. So it's by Evolve. You guys can see that. And this is a Target exclusive look. So yeah, but yeah, that's everything. I'm going to leave a list of all the products that I talked about in the video below. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm gonna do a demo on this product. The Creme of Nature coconut milk for natural hair. I will be using these products Thursday or Friday, wash day. And I will show you guys what that looks like. I may do a twist out. I don't know. I kind of like my little puff. We'll see, to be continued. But yeah, I'm about to set this up on my little shelf back there and hook it up, and I will talk with you guys later. Curlbox! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.